Have you ever wondered why a sneeze feels so electrifying? When you sneeze, tiny droplets are released, but they also carry an intriguing science lesson. Recent studies show that these droplets can generate static electricity. That's right. When the droplets collide with the surrounding air particles, they create electric charges, leading to a fascinating phenomenon called sneezing sparks. This surprising science isn't just a quirky fact. It could have implications in controlling airborne pathogens.
So next time you sneeze, remember, you're not just expelling air, you're unleashing a spark of science in the air around you.